Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make a low-fat pumpkin spice latte at home. Now, what you're going to need in order to do this is you're going to need an espresso machine. You're going to need low-fat milk, which is typically 1% milk. You're going to need pumpkin spice flavoring, which is typically a seasonal syrup, so you're going to want to go to your local grocery store during Thanksgiving and the holidays to see if they're carrying it. If not, you could stop by your local coffee shop and they may have a bottle that you could purchase there. You're also going to need finely ground espresso. You could use some whipped cream and cinnamon on top to top off the latte. But basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your portafilter and you're going to want to fill it up with that finely ground espresso to the very top. You can make a mound on top. But then what you're going to do is take your pinky finger, go across the surface of the portafilter to make a smooth surface of the coffee. You're then going to take your tamper, which is the device that comes with your espresso machine, which is intended to press down on the espresso in your portafilter. So basically you're going to apply 40 pounds of pressure down into the espresso and you're going to turn. Then you're going to take your portafilter, knock off any excess coffee grounds that are on there, stick the portafilter in your espresso machine and pull your shot of espresso. After that's complete, you're going to take your carafe and you're going to fill it halfway with cold, low-fat milk. It's best to use it right out of the refrigerator because the colder the milk, the better it's going to steam up for you. Then you're going to take that milk and you're going to put it in your steam wand, turn your steam wand on. You're going to scratch the surface of the milk for 2 to 3 seconds and then submerge your steam wand back into the milk until you hear the milk rumbling or your carafe is too hot to touch. Remove the steamed milk from the steam wand and put that off to the side. Then what you're going to want to do is take 2 tablespoons of your pumpkin spice flavoring and add that to the bottom of your cup first. And the reason for doing this is so that when you add your shot of espresso and your steamed milk, that flavor and the sugar that's in that syrup will blend in with the beverage naturally and you won't have to stir it in the end. So then after you have that in the bottom, you're going to take your low-fat steamed milk and your shot of espresso. Pour the shot of espresso in first, then the steamed milk on top of that. And for a great decoration to top off your pumpkin spice low-fat latte, you can add some low-fat whipped cream and some cinnamon on top, and you have your low-fat pumpkin spice latte. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make a low-fat pumpkin spice latte at home.